Good morning, my people. Good morning. God bless everybody. Na me, MC Papilo One International. Una loyal boy, una loyal brother, una loyal friend, una loyal man. You see, make I tell you one thing. We pain woman pass for life. One thing we pain woman pass for this life. We feel make woman do wetin she not supposed to do. Even if the woman are deaf and dumb, wetin go fit make am talk. Woman wey know you as a man when you never even get up to 3 or 4 trousers for your hanger. Maybe na only one shirt and one trouser you get for your hanger. When you know that woman, una dey lie down for ground without foam. At times maybe na only spring bed na una get. She go say okay, life go better, go follow you. Inside that suffer, una go come get 2 or 3 children or 4 children. Una go gather, dey raise them, dey go inside sun, inside rain, management. Today eat, tomorrow we not fit eat. We eat in the morning, not eat in the evening. Una go dey inside. If she drink garri, they no go see her for your face because of the love which she get for you. We be say these days you hardly get women like that. Who want follow person suffer? She go follow you pass through all those suffer process. Maybe the day when you want pay her bride price, now only bottle of hot, some cola nut and 24 naira, and Fanta and Coke. Now you take pay her bride price. Maybe the cloth which she even wear for her bride price, either na your mama give her or na your mama give her. You go wear slippers. Now we come pass through the process. Children will come dey grow. Maybe after 20 years of marriage, God come begin to turn camera to your side. God come begin to bless you. You come buy first car, build first house, buy second car, build second house. Then you go now decide to go marry another woman. Now. Then you go carry big hall. Pay 1.5 million for the hall. Give them 1 million naira, make they decorate am. The marriage wey you no do for the first wife, you want to do am for the second one. You come wear get wedding gown, you come carry am go church. Wetin you no do for the first one, you want to do am for the second one. My brother, I won't wanna buy a nania. Stay out of drug. Stay out of drug, my brother. Stay out of drug. Oh, no matter about you. At the end of the day, that woman wey dey come that house, she no go even ask questions. Say this upstairs where I wan climb, so who laid the foundation? She go forget. Say wetin happen to the first one, fit still happen to her. If no so over we, also over koko. Wetin happen for the first one go still happen for the second one. So, if before you enter any relationship as a woman, ask questions. This thing wey I want to do to this woman, we don't follow this man suffer. So if they do it to me, I go like her. If you don't ask that kind of question, you enter that kind of relationship, you are a desperado. You get her from her and say you be passenger. If your bus stop reach, you will come down. For those of you where that's aside, man. For those of you where they send me friend request, a lot of friend requests now. I don't reach my limit. So if you want to send me friend request, go another of my Facebook where be MC Papilo International. You write MC, write Papilo, write International full. I don't get limit for that. I fit accept any friends there because I don't get up to 5,000. And now they even they delete people who don't get pictures for their Facebook, and people who don't get picture for their Facebook. I don't see their picture. So people they don't just send you friend request. They don't put picture, not the. So I did remove. I don't go to chat with ghost. I did remove all those ones. They add people who get pictures for their profile. So now they do now. We don't get picture. All those ghosts we don't get picture. I remove them. Come they accept those we get picture. Because I don't feel the chat with person we you don't get picture for him profile. So That is it. I did Nigeria, I did Edo State. Otegbo talaka nana bidu, ewu nana bieme, edu no bayi. Ewu nana war. So if you want book show, I will write my WhatsApp and my telephone numbers above, below. Then if you want book me, I did free. I did very free for Edo State, Lagos, anywhere for Nigeria. I did free. If you call me for WhatsApp, if you call my telephone number, you want to do any party, marry like all our people from diaspora, we call it do marriage. You know, I tell the anchor show. If I meet there, you know, see the people who did that microphone. So all musicians from Benin who they work together. No musician, no big musician from Benin. We never work together. So as we do it for them, so we do it here. If I want book me for party, make una not forget say Papilo dey town. So I'll write my contacts. So when I take contact me for any party. God bless everybody. Another thing I want make we the Benins, the Edos, may we join hands together to lift ourselves up. We will not discriminate. I see how cheap people. I see other tribes. If any of their beloved ones do something way no good, especially those ones way they popular, those ones way God don't bless way. They call them to order outside social media. Don't call them to order outside social media. My brother, this is the way you go do for social media, so you know good. They will man, make no come be psychology use my own tribe, they compare with that tribe. You know good. You don't come like I use my tribe, they compare with that tribe. I know like maybe we join hands together. If our brothers will be popular, or we people know if you do something, maybe we don't carry on social media. Upowa, Owana boy. Good morning, my brother. Ikenati Owane, Ati Oha. Ikenati Owane, Ati Oha. Zedumana. We could cover ourselves. Anybody will do something. This is also person. He do something we no good do. We could join us together. We will cover and stay. Bros, what you do so? No, don't do it like that. You be bini, won't do it like that. If we talk to them, you go here. Somebody like may I use my very good example like comrade Tony Kabaka, for example. People say why go to pray? Why Tony Kabaka? You know that is. We don't see one or two occasions, but we never really just sit down together and do something. But Omanase Gbogbo. Omawu azo obowekun omanase ruwa omade azo obowekun. When you push person Tony Kabaka, when you push person, that person no fall. You don't go leave am for waste. Who ya against so maye no be everybody no be all head person fit bring down. Gbogbo yon agbe awuko akawuko gbogbo yon agbe akawuko You let when you disturb some people to some extent, you let them go. I beg my people. May we join hands together. May we cover ourselves. May we cover our sin. We cover them. We settle within ourselves. Correction, we correct ourselves so that we will move forward. Oh no, what come and say? I'm going to be able to say, okay, all these popular people, all these rich people, all these young men, we God bless, so they do Skinny, Destiny, Bagua, Avigran, Oliver Twist, Agumba, a lot of them, young rich men of my time. I go see them for party, they go dash me money. They say because they give me money, even dog, Ekita dog, if dog see person where they help am, where they give am food, he go take tea, he go run, go take tea, go greet am. Other animal, Ekita. If you see who person where they give am food every day, he go run, go use tea, he go use tea, the greet am, he go dey shake it to greet am, say thank you for the good way you do for me yesterday. No talk of me wey be human being. These are people where they bless me. I will just dey life. Now I'm just take man dey run them down. E no good na. If they do something, okay, una fit come say Papilo, so person wetin you do so no good o. Wetin you talk for the matter? I go meet am for house. Papa, this thing wey they do so e no clear. They say you do this one, I say you do this one. Correction. Nobody is above correction. Because e get some kind things wey you go dey do, you no go know say you dey do wrong. If they no correct you, no know say na wrong you dey do. Amaka mori abowetori abo wetin e dole yi. Correction is very, very important. To correct person, no be to carry am enter social media. Don't be the correct person. Or see one no one, or sraba bo one day. If my friend do something, I want follow and go police station. After I say, oh boy, this case where you want go for police station, so you no work. Oh. You wrong. Oh. You wrong. I don't feel follow you go. You wrong. Oh. Go apologize. Now don't be friend. You go advise am for face to face for back. No be say you don't carry enter social media. You don't scandalize his name. You don't drag his name to mouth. Then you can't go to apologize to them for back. Any namu dia no we gadology. Ununa riama we gadology. E work again, you know the work again like that. Thank you very much, my people. God bless you all. It's your one and only MC Papilo International.